welcome back to my channel. I'm Allie D coming to you live with a new video. So today we are going to be making a fried shrimp taco, and guys, this taco is bomb. So let's go ahead and get started.
This is the day. Took it the scenic route, but this is the way.
So first we're going to start off by cleaning our easy peeled shrimp. Following us cleaning our shrimp off, we are going to start seasoning. So I'm going to start off by adding a half a teaspoon of seasonal, followed by garlic powder, parsley, onion powder, followed by 2 tablespoons of this New Orleans style of shrimp fry, 1 tablespoon of mustard, and a half a cup of flour. After I finish adding the flour, I'm going to go ahead and add my lid, and I'm just going to give this a nice good shake. And now it's time to start frying your shrimp. Now once your vegetable oil is nice and hot, you're going to go ahead and add your shrimp to the oil. When you see that your shrimp has gotten nice and golden on one side, make sure that you flip it so that you can have a nice even crisp throughout your shrimp. While we're waiting on our shrimp to cook, we're gonna go ahead and prepare our squash. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this up in medium fine pieces, and I'm gonna add a half a teaspoon of olive oil, and we're gonna add some seasonings. I'll be adding a half a teaspoon of onion powder, garlic powder, followed by parsley, seasonal, some bold Creole seasoning. Oh my goodness, guys, this is what made squash. And 1/3 cups of water. Well, I'm gonna be chopping up some lettuce, followed by some onions and some tomatoes. And these will be the toppings for our taco. Now it's just time to plate, guys. So I'm going to be adding my lettuce at the bottom, followed by my onions and tomatoes. And then I'm going to add my squash and my fried shrimp. So to finish up our tacos, we're going to go ahead and add some shredded cheese, followed by this Southwest Chipotle ranch sauce. So there you guys go. This is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed. So please make sure you like, share, subscribe, and come back for more videos. Okay, bye.